Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Vicky here, and today in this video, I'm gonna show you how I am making $1,000 almost every day using this system. Okay, and I'm also gonna show you how you can start on this same system. So basically, guys, this is the system that I have been using recently, and I'm making about $500 to $1,000 every single day. Okay, and if I show you the results of all these people here, as you can see, this person she made about $1,124, and this person is brand new. Even being a complete beginner, she made this commission from this high ticket system. Okay, and this person right here, you can see, earned $2,000 today. So she made $2,000 today. Here you can see 18th February, $447, 17th February, $1,000, 17th February again, $400. So guys, people are making over $1,000 almost every single day with this system. Okay, and this was me, so I had got over $1,000 commission, so I had posted in the group as well. And this is me again. Again I got over $1,000 commission, so I had posted in the group as well. So basically, guys, this system that you're seeing here, this is a high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, and like they pay you over $1,000 and $447 for every sale that you make. Okay, and what I really like about this affiliate marketing program is, like, on normal program you get like 30%, 40%, right? But in this system, guys, they give you like 75%. And I will say I have seen very few programs in the industry that pay you 75% commission. Okay, most of them will pay you 40%, 50%. So it's really high about this program. And one more thing that I really like about this system is that this system, like, it's just one time payment. Okay, like there is no monthly fee. And some system, they have like, once you join and once you get in, then you have to do upgrades and you have to buy more stuff. But here there is no upsell, there is no upgrade, no upselling. Okay, this is just pure one time payment. And also it's a single system. Like there are system like you join and then you buy this, buy that, buy that. But here this is just one single system, and there is just one time fee and no upsell, no monthly fee. That's what I liked more, and I got started like 3 to 4 weeks ago. So if I show you the dashboard of this system, guys, here, so this is the 3-day business challenge. So when you first log into your dashboard, this is the challenge, kind of challenge built for 3 days that you go through, and it's very beginner friendly, very easy to do. After that, we go here, and here comes the module 1. Okay, intro to the system, basic intro, and then funnel making, and then email marketing. Okay, so like here, in this module, email marketing mastery, you learn how to build a email list, right? Creating your own asset. And then there is free YouTube traffic. YouTube is really great traffic. Okay, and there, here they teach you, like, I learn as well how to use free YouTube traffic here. Okay, all these modules you're seeing here, these are about YouTube. Okay, and then here is about TikTok. So free traffic with TikTok. So obviously we promote on TikTok, YouTube, on social media. Okay, any type of social media. So in this module, you're gonna learn how to do TikTok traffic. Okay, how to optimize the TikTok for this offer particularly. And here is Facebook traffic. So we do Facebook traffic as well. So here you learn how to do Facebook traffic as well. Okay, and here in this module you learn how to close sales. Okay, it's very important to close the sales, right? So in this module you're gonna learn that ins and out. Okay, everything. And what I really like to show you here is that here it comes paid traffic. So they also teach you paid traffic. Okay, how to run Google ads, how to do YouTube ads. So like I get a lot of question from people, like they don't know how to run YouTube ad, they have never run Google ads. So here in this module you learn Google ads as well, learn YouTube ads as well. Okay, and there is another thing called 75% commission. So yeah, that's what I talked about, right? Here you get 75% commission for life. For any sale that you get 75% commission, guys. Okay, so guys, this is pretty much the dashboard of the system. Okay, where you learn all this stuff other than the 75% commission. So like if you see here, I am already eligible for 75% commission here, right? So this is the link. Okay, these are the links that you're gonna take it and you're gonna promote on free traffic, paid traffic, whatever traffic you like, right? So guys, I would say, like, as you can see, this person right here, he made $1,100 commission and like two over $1,000 commission, right? So guys, I would say you, if your goal is also make about $1,000 or make about $5,000, $10,000 income from home. Okay, this is the system that I'm currently working on. It's really working great for me and many other people that you are seeing here. So if you really want to start with this, okay, and if you really want those 75% commission, what I would do is I would simply put the link below this video. Okay, and I will also put the link of my Facebook, so you can go through the Facebook as well, and if you have any question you can simply message me. Okay, so go ahead, create your account or message me on Facebook. I will help you one on one. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.